Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. This is Mansi here. Today we're going to see this protein chaat recipe. So let's get started. In a mixing bowl, add 2 cups of boiled pulses, 1 medium-sized finely chopped onion, medium-sized tomato to it, half cup boiled corns, 100 grams of paneer chopped in cube shape, half lemon, salt as per your taste, half spoon black pepper powder, half spoon chaat masala powder to it, some finely chopped coriander. Give it a good mix. You can also add pineapple and pomegranate if you want. I hope you like this chaat recipe. You can have roasted makhana with this chaat. And make sure you like, share and subscribe this video.